Namaste everyone, this is Sai Sri and welcome back to my channel. In this video, let us see how to simulate current series with feedback and without feedback amplifiers. We will also see the frequency response and SL sheet values and also output on the oscilloscope. I try to make this video as short as possible, so please follow the video properly to get the output. Don't skip at any part because you may miss the part where the connections are not correct in your circuit. So make sure that follow the video to get the output. This video took me time to edit, record and give you voiceover. If it is informative, please do subscribe, like and share to your friends. Comment all your doubts in the comment box. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. A small correction, not in the circuit, just the title. There I have written without filter. It is without feedback or with feedback. So make sure that you correct while doing it. Now first let us simulate with feedback current series amplifier and then we will step into the without feedback amplifier. The small change to the without feedback amplifier is just we have to add a capacitor to the circuit of the with feedback. So now let us simulate with feedback amplifier, current series with feedback amplifier. Same steps we have to follow for the without, just a small changes. For without feedback, just we have to add a capacitor. I have placed all the resistors required to this circuit. Now I will place the capacitors. Now place all the capacitors required for this circuit after placing all the resistors. Now connect the components using a wire. Make sure that where you are connecting the nodes, you check it once. The connections so that you will get the perfect output. The input frequency and the voltage is 0.01 volts and frequency is 1 kHz for the circuit. The same frequency and the voltage is for voltage shunt with and without feedback, and also current series with and without feedback. So make sure that these 4 points join at that node. So mostly all of you do the mistake at this. So all these 4 lines join at that node so that you will get the output. A small task meanwhile, if it is informative, please do like and comment your like number in the comment box and also the place where you are watching. This is the final circuit of the current series amplifier with feedback. Now let us simulate it to see the output at the oscilloscope. Click on Run button and then click on Oscilloscope to see the output. By adjusting the scale, channel A and the channel B, you can get the output clearly. The red color represents the input and blue color represents the output. Here you can see that for the given input, that is input is 20 millivolt, so we got 1 volt per division. So if you carefully observe the input and the output, then we can understand that the current series amplifier with feedback amplifies the given input. So as we all know that amplifier is nothing but which amplifies the given input. So here also we given the input of 0.01 volts, we got about 1 volt voltage. In order to get the frequency response, now you have to click on Simulate and then Analyze and Simulation. Click on AC Sweep for the frequency response. Select 1 to 100 MHz, and in the output we have to select the voltage at the output wire. So in order to get that number, voltage at that number, just click on the wire of the output which you have connected to the oscilloscope, then you can get that number. So select that voltage at that number and click on Run button. So this is the frequency response. Increase, constant and then decrease. To get the Excel sheet values, click on Tools and then select Excel sheet, click on OK. So here you can get the Excel sheet values and you can also find the constant value also. So at some point we can get the constant values. So take sum of the values in this by writing the x-axis is the frequency we applied and the y-axis represents the voltage gain we got. So take sum of the values for the observation. Soon I will be uploading the document of this current series amplifier with and with feedback. So where you can have the aim, procedure, apparatus, so all the document, the circuit diagram, the observations, all those things. I will drop those links in the comment box and also in the description. Now let us simulate the current series without feedback. So for the without feedback amplifier, the thing we have to do is just we have to add one capacitor to the circuit of the current series amplifier with feedback. So this is the circuit, that is we have added a capacitor at the emitter section, you can see. Now follow the same process, just you have to click on run button in order to get the oscilloscope output, and for the simulation or the frequency response, same steps, simulate, analyze AC sweep, same values you have to take, that is you have to select the AC sweep and the voltage is same, so the same process.